Hey, how's it going, guys? Let me tell you, I have a treat for you today. More like 5 treats, actually. They're all legit, and all of them are money making platforms that pay for more than the other ones we've talked about before. I can't wait to share all of the details with you. Before we start, can you do me a favor and hit the like, share, subscribe, and notification buttons below? Also, comment finance in the comment section if you do want to learn more about how to make money online. And with that said, let's go make some money. The first platform is called Respondent, which you can find on respondent.io. And what it is a medium that helps brands and companies perform market research by connecting them with verified survey respondents like you and me. Respondents are paid through PayPal for each study they complete with no minimum amount for payout. I've actually seen some people online saying that they've made up to as much as $500 per hour, and while this amount is rare, it is possible. You can check this page out to see how much time a survey should take to complete and how much you'll get for participating in it as well. Rest assured that even the lowest compensation offered on Respondent will still amount to much more than what other typical GPT sites would pay. In that sense, Respondent definitely stands out by offering premium rates to participants. Respondent is also available worldwide, and they're always on the lookout for people with various backgrounds and demographics. This is because of their rigorous selection process on the back end, which ensures that if your interest or area of expertise match a client's requirements, the survey will be available to you. To sign up, you'll simply need to complete your profile and verify your account, after which you'll be matched with surveys and should be good to go. The next platform that I wanted to share with you is called Playtest Cloud. This platform essentially connects game creators with game testers. And if you're at all into playing video games, then this is a fantastic way to earn a decent amount of money doing something that does not resemble work. Similar to Respondent, they're looking for gamers from different backgrounds and demographics, from noobs or casual players, all the way to the professional hardcore gamers. Essentially, a gamer or tester's task would revolve around letting the developer know how you find the game, what you're thinking as you play, how it can be improved, any problems that you encounter, etc. And to sign up, just fill out the sign up form and then take a qualification to check if you're eligible. The test is not paid, but it's fairly simple to do, and if you don't make the test, it's not a problem, as you can keep on taking it until you pass. And when you do qualify, they will instantly send you an invitation to test the new game out. I mean, come on guys, is there even a better job than this? As for the payment, there are several factors that will determine this, including the game duration and which game you're testing. But the average should be between 10 to 15 bucks per game. Also similar to Respondent, you get paid right after completing a game test via PayPal, with no minimum payout required. Now, if you like that game tester job, then I have a really fun and easy job for you, and it's as a mystery shopper on the Merchandiser app by survey.com. When you sign up as a mystery or secret shopper, you're given tasks to complete at a certain store in your locality. These could range from things like checking inventory, looking for promotional displays, or even doing some actual shopping, in which case, the client will reimburse you for the items that you do purchase as part of your task. Gigs here can range from a 15-minute product audit to until an 8-hour reset, and the app provides you with all of the detailed instructions, so you don't need to worry about that. From the research that I've done, tasks here pay a base rate of $25 per hour, and assignments should range between 1 to 2 hours long. Completed assignments that meet all of the requirements are approved for payment 6 days after the task is completed, and payment is done via direct bank deposit. To sign up, you'll need to take some surveys so that they can profile you and then let you know what you're eligible for. Next up, we have Reddit. If you haven't heard, there are a couple of subreddits that compensate you for performing certain tasks online, such as rating services and businesses online, or even helping with homework, etc. So you have to sift through the tasks that you're interested in, but people have been known to make a couple of $100 doing work here. Some of the subreddits that you might want to consider taking a look at are Beer Money, Signups for Pay, and Slave Labor. And on all of these subreddits, you'll be doing odd jobs here and there. There are quite a few decent ways to earn money, as you can see on this page. Sign Up for Pays in particular is a subreddit where, as the name suggests, you'll need to sign up for something in exchange for a cash token. This can be for when people promote their referral codes and then receive commission for when people sign up. So how it works is that they ask you to sign up and then they send you a percentage of what they make when you do. Last but not the least is a UK-based site called prolific.co. Prolific is a marketplace that connects researchers with relevant participants from all over the world. This platform houses multiple surveys made by academic researchers, and while there are many GPT sites that offer surveys and get a bad rap for paying extremely low, besides being legit, Prolific, just like Respondent, is considered to be one of the higher paying sites out there. Because this is academic research, more opportunities are available during the school year and less over the summer. After signing up, you'll need to fill out an unpaid survey to profile you so that every survey that you receive after that you will automatically be qualified for, and whenever one appears on your Prolific dashboard, then you can go ahead and answer it to earn some money. In terms of how much they pay, well, the lowest survey should give you around $7, which, like I said, is already much higher than the pennies that other GPT sites offer as compensation. Their payout method is standard via PayPal and takes a few days after you complete a survey to process. I personally think this is a great way to monetize your free time. There you have it, guys. 5 easy and legit ways to make money from home. Which platform do you think you'll try out first? Please let me know in the comments section below. I would love to hear from you. Also, let us know what you want to see next and we'll make sure to include it in our video lineup. As always, guys, if you found any value in today's content, then please do show us some love by leaving us a like, a share, and don't forget to subscribe and smash that notification bell too. If you're interested in more money-making ideas, then do check out our other videos. I'll be leaving links to some of them in the description box just for you. Alrighty guys, take care and I'll see you again next time.